The art of indoor herb gardening. Welcome to Plant Care, where we delve into the art of indoor herb gardening. In this video, we'll guide you through choosing the right herbs, integrating them into your living space, and mastering the secrets of successful cultivation. Learn expert tips on maintaining ideal conditions for your herbs to thrive, and discover the benefits of growing your own fresh, sustainable herbs. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful plant care tips, and don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. Let's get started on your indoor herb garden journey. Choose the right herbs for indoor gardening based on your preferences and needs. When selecting the herbs for your indoor garden, it's essential to consider your personal preferences and needs. Some popular choices for indoor gardening include basil, mint, chives, and parsley. Basil, known for its strong aroma and use in various cuisines, thrives in well-drained soil and ample sunlight. Mint, appreciated for its refreshing scent and versatility, is perfect for tea or garnishing dishes. Chives, with their mild onion flavor, are great for salads, soups, and as a topping. Parsley, often used as a garnish but also for its health benefits, requires plenty of light and moderate watering. Other popular herbs for indoor gardens include rosemary, thyme, and cilantro. Rosemary, a fragrant herb that enhances roasted dishes and bread, needs well-draining soil and bright light to flourish. Thyme, known for its earthy taste and multiple culinary uses, is drought-tolerant and prefers indirect sunlight. Cilantro, a staple in many dishes, requires consistent moisture and sunlight to avoid bolting. It's important to take into account the space you have available, as some herbs like mint tend to spread rapidly and might need regular pruning. Consider growing herbs that you frequently cook with to ensure a fresh and convenient supply. Additionally, think about the maintenance level each herb requires based on your gardening experience and available time. Some herbs may need more attention, such as regular pruning, fertilizing, and monitoring for pests. By choosing the right herbs that align with your preferences, culinary habits, and gardening capacity, you can create a thriving indoor herb garden that not only enhances your meals but also adds beauty and freshness to your indoor space. Discover creative ways to incorporate herbs into your indoor living space. One creative way to incorporate herbs into your indoor living space is by utilizing vertical gardens. Vertical gardens not only save space but also create a visually appealing herb display. You can hang floating shelves or wall-mounted planters near a sunny window to grow your herbs vertically. This method not only serves a functional purpose but also adds a touch of greenery to your indoor decor. Another innovative approach is to repurpose everyday items into herb planters. Items like mason jars, tin cans, or even old teacups can be transformed into charming herb containers. These unique planters add character to your indoor space while providing a practical solution for growing herbs. Moreover, upcycling items for herb gardens is an environmentally friendly way to add greenery to your home. You can also consider creating an indoor herb garden centerpiece for your dining or coffee table. Placing a collection of herb pots in a decorative tray or a wooden box not only serves as a convenient herb station but also acts as a natural and aromatic focal point in your living space. Guests can easily access the herbs for garnishing dishes, making them both functional and visually appealing. In addition to the traditional pots and planters, herb gardens can be integrated into your kitchen decor by using hanging macrame planters. Macrame plant hangers can hold pots of herbs and are a stylish way to incorporate greenery into your indoor space. By exploring creative options like vertical gardens, repurposed containers, centerpieces, and macrame planters, you can transform your indoor living space into a herb-filled oasis that is both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Learn expert tips on maintaining optimal light and temperature conditions for thriving indoor herb gardens. Optimal light and temperature conditions are essential for the thriving growth of indoor herb gardens. When it comes to light, most herbs require at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day to flourish. Placing your herb garden near a south-facing window or using supplemental grow lights can help ensure that your herbs receive adequate light exposure. Adequate lighting not only supports healthy growth but also enhances the flavors and aromas of the herbs, making them more potent for culinary use. In addition to lighting, maintaining the right temperature is crucial for indoor herb gardens. Most herbs thrive in temperatures between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 21 degrees Celsius. Sudden temperature fluctuations or extremes can stress the plants and inhibit their growth. To maintain optimal temperature conditions, avoid placing herb gardens near drafty windows or heat sources, as these can cause temperature fluctuations that may harm the plants. Using a thermometer to monitor the ambient temperature can help you ensure that your herbs are growing in the ideal climate for their cultivation. Furthermore, humidity levels play a role in the health of indoor herb gardens. Most herbs prefer moderate humidity levels of around 40 to 60%. If the air in your home is too dry, you can increase humidity by misting the plants regularly or placing a tray of water near the herb garden to provide moisture through evaporation. Conversely, if the air is too humid, ensure proper air circulation to prevent mold or mildew from affecting the herbs. By paying attention to light exposure, temperature regulation, and humidity levels, you can create an environment that fosters the optimal growth and vitality of your indoor herb garden. Explore the benefits of growing your own herbs, from freshness to sustainability. Growing your own herbs at home offers an array of benefits that extend beyond convenience. One of the key advantages is the unparalleled freshness that homegrown herbs provide. When you cultivate herbs indoors, you have the luxury of harvesting them right before using them in your culinary creations, ensuring that you capture the peak of their flavor and aroma. This freshness can elevate the taste of your dishes and add a satisfying depth of flavor that store-bought herbs often lack. Moreover, growing your own herbs promotes sustainability by reducing food waste and lowering your carbon footprint. Store-bought herbs are typically packaged in plastic containers and may travel long distances before reaching your kitchen, contributing to environmental pollution. By growing herbs at home, you can minimize packaging waste and transportation emissions associated with store-bought herbs. Additionally, cultivating your own herbs allows you to practice sustainable gardening methods, such as using organic fertilizers and composting, to nurture your plants in an eco-friendly manner. Another benefit of growing herbs at home is the cost-effectiveness it offers over time. While the initial investment in supplies like containers, soil, and seeds may be modest, the long-term savings from growing your own herbs can be substantial. Rather than frequently purchasing fresh herbs or dried packets from the store, you can have a steady supply of herbs at your fingertips for a fraction of the cost. This financial advantage becomes even more pronounced when you consider that many herbs are perennial plants, meaning they can regrow year after year with proper care, providing you with a sustainable source of fresh herbs in the long run. Uncover the secrets of successful indoor herb gardening, from planting to harvest. To achieve successful indoor herb gardening, understanding the key aspects of planting, nurturing, and harvesting is essential. When planting your herbs, choose pots or containers that provide adequate drainage to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Opt for a quality potting mix that offers good aeration and drainage to promote healthy root growth. Additionally, consider the sunlight requirements of each herb to ensure they receive sufficient light exposure for photosynthesis and development. Once planted, regular watering is crucial for indoor herb success. Overwatering can be just as detrimental as underwatering, so monitor the moisture levels of the soil and adjust your watering frequency accordingly. Most herbs prefer soil that is evenly moist but not waterlogged, so develop a watering routine based on the specific needs of your plants. Furthermore, maintaining proper humidity levels in the indoor environment can contribute to the health and vitality of your herbs, as many herbs thrive in moderate humidity. As your herbs grow, pruning and harvesting play a key role in promoting robust growth and continuous productivity. Regular pruning helps to encourage bushier growth and prevents herbs from becoming leggy. When harvesting, utilize sharp scissors or pruning shears to make clean cuts, avoiding damage to the plant. Aim to harvest herbs in the morning when their essential oils are most concentrated for maximum flavor. By harvesting regularly and pruning strategically, you can stimulate new growth and ensure a bountiful herb harvest throughout the growing season. The art of indoor herb gardening. Ready to bring your indoor herb garden to life? Subscribe for more plant care tips and explore our channel for expert advice on creating your own green oasis at home. Join us on this journey towards a greener, fresher future.